In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart Obsidian templates. We're going to set up the tools that make templates in Obsidian truly powerful, then create a fresh note so you can see how everything comes together. By the end, you'll have the key plugins installed and enabled, and you'll be ready to capture structured notes faster and more consistently. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. With your vault open, look for the gear icon, typically in the lower left corner, and click it to open settings. This is your control center for everything from appearance to plugins. We'll be working in the plugins area so you can extend Obsidian beyond the core features. Inside settings, find the community plugins section. This is where creators share add-ons that expand what Obsidian can do. When you enter this section, you may see a notice about third-party plugins. That's expected. Review it so you understand the trade-offs and continue when you're comfortable. These plugins are widely used in the community and are essential for smart templating. Next, click Browse to open the Community Plugin Marketplace. The search field at the top is the quickest way to locate what we need. Type Templater into the search bar. Templater is the plugin that turns ordinary templates into smart dynamic documents. Instead of copying and pasting static text, Templater can insert the current date and time, prompt you for information, and even run small snippets to build your note for you. When you found Templater, click Install. Give it a moment to download, then click Enable. Installing adds it to your vault, and enabling turns it on so it can begin working with your notes. If a settings panel appears for Templater, that's normal. You don't need to change anything immediately to get value from it, but know that you can fine-tune behaviors later, like how templates get applied or where you store them. Now repeat the process for DataView. Search for DataView in the same marketplace, install it, and enable it as well. DataView helps you query your notes, transforming front matter and structured fields into dynamic lists, tables, and summaries. While Templater builds your note content, DataView helps you make sense of that content across your vault. They complement each other beautifully for smart, scalable workflows. Once both plugins are enabled, close the plugin browser and exit settings. You're back in your vault, ready to make something useful right away. Click New Note. You can usually do this from the left sidebar or by using the New Note button in the top bar. Give the note a clear title so you'll find it easily later. Now enter the details of your note. With Templater active, your notes can include smart placeholders that resolve into real values, such as the current date, a clean timestamp, or a standardized header. If you use front matter at the top of your note, keep the fields consistent, things like status, type, tags, or people. That consistency pays off when DataView reads your notes and groups them automatically. As you type, think in terms of repeatable structure, headings that match your use case, sections that you'll want every time, and prompts that remind you what to fill in. The more predictable your layout, the easier it is to keep notes uniform across projects. If you're working with tasks, consider including a section for action items that you'll mark as complete later. If you're writing daily notes or meeting notes, add fields that matter most to you, like date, participants, outcomes, and next steps. Over time, these patterns become your template backbone, and Templater ensures you don't forget the important parts. When DataView scans those fields, it can assemble dashboards or summaries that reflect the current state of your work without manual sorting. That's it. You've opened Obsidian, visited settings, used community plugins to browse, found and installed Templater, enabled it, did the same for DataView, closed out, created a new note, and entered your details in a structured way. You're set up for smart templates that save time, improve consistency, and help your notes work harder for you.